that we can discuss more later, I guess.
All right, so we have a grapefruit slicer here, and you're lining it up, I see. And there's some pins in the bottom that you ram it into?
Yeah, they're bent nails, and the reason they're bent is that we can actually insert the grapefruit a little easier.
Because you
this
slide
block
it down.
right here is a pretty low limit on how far we can do it. We'll show why that's there later.
And then the blade that you're putting on top here, is it really a sensor blade for
detecting the edges, so it's going to flick off the edges. And that's an X-Acto blade, and those blades are from a different product.
So this is an X-Acto blade with a vibration sensor on a piezo vibration sensor.
On a bunch of Lego gadgetry that Nintendo put together.
And
so one of the many variables here is we're going to call it a proof of concept because the human factors aren't quite the easiest to work out, is how deep you plunge that knife in.
Right.
And we've also accounted for so we want to try to cut through the pulp and not over the edges and not cut the edges. So we go around a few times first before we start sensing and gathering data.
Okay.
And that's also a function of how deep that knife is.
The spring holds grapefruit in place.
Okay, I see. All right.
Yeah, this is our safety hood.
So that's a safety hood, which is a good idea.
There are two contacts on either side. We can go to the main circuit. We'll probably get to see what the problem is with this a few times.
Okay.